Hello, welcome back. I know every year I post for my birthday except for my 17th, but I never managed to post around my birthday. For those of you who don't know, my birthday is in December. Yes, I know. It's June once again. This year, I'll try to manage to post for my 20th birthday on time. Anyways, what is up? Yes, my hair looks like I need to go. Please don't let it be the trash people, because I gotta. Preparing for my birthday means cleaning my room. And it's pretty messy. I'm gonna just show y'all. There goes Lucky right there. It's really messy. Really messy. Go over here. It's real messy. Real bad. I don't even want to show y'all the restroom, but it's a bit of a mess. So I'm gonna go take, I have a whole trash bag in my restroom. So today's trash day, so I'm just gonna take that trash down because it to be gone, because it's overfilled. So I'll report back to y'all when I'm done, and then I'm gonna take my clothes downstairs and start washing, because we're trying to have a good 19th birthday with a clean room, with a clean slate of a new year for me, a new age for me. I just want to feel clean and fresh, because I haven't been home for the past like 3 days. I've been at my boyfriend's house. I don't have time to do anything, because I would come home and then it would be time for me to go to sleep. So I would throw everything on the floor, but no, we're not gonna do that. But I'm gonna clean, we're gonna clean this area right here. The floor is clean, like it's clean. I just need a vacuum. That's all I gotta do, pretty much. This side is clean. The other side, I don't even want to talk about that. And there goes Lucky. He's so cute, but I don't know. I always procrastinate. I don't know why I do this. And I gotta set an alarm for 6 o'clock, because I gotta take my little brother to class for driving school. So I got this for Christmas. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cute. I've been wanting one of these. My mom gave me, instead of stockings, a little goodie bag, and it came with like a loofah, some of this. I got some spray on deodorant, and then I have candy. Clean, as you can tell. My sheets and comforters are in the washer. I just put this over, and it smells like alcohol, because if you don't put alcohol on your mattress, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm just playing. Put it on this. I cleaned all in here. It smells like this. I mopped, I swept. Now I'm going to clean this area right here. I might not film, but it is so messy. So it's the end of the night. I just got out the shower. Today I went to go get some glasses, because you know it was well overdue. So I got glasses or whatever, and I also got my eyebrows started, but I feel like she messed up right there. I need to rejuvenate my skin, because my skin has not been clear at all. Looking a little janky, but don't come for me. I had this since 8th grade, this Freeman peel off clay mask. It's sweet tea and lemonade. So, and like, it's just, my face has been really dry. Mask used to be the shits back in the day. So today's the 28th. Tomorrow, the 29th, is a bad bee's birthday. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done, and yeah, then I'll be prepared for my birthday. I'm gonna just report to y'all when after I'm done, after this mask dries, because it's taking forever. I'm gonna go lay in my bed and watch something on Discovery Plus. Like, I might watch the ID channel. Don't come for me, but like, I like it. Like, some of it is not even dry. Like, this right here is not even dry yet. You gotta spoil me on my birthday.
What?
Yeah.
You want to go to every store.
I want to be Dora the Explorer. More minutes and I'm a 19-year-old girl. My hair is looking cute. Like, look at it. You see it, babe? Look at the time. Wait, why does it look blurry right here? Anyways, so like my last minutes of being 18, you know, 18 has taught me a lot. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Are you listening to me? So like, yeah, I'm ready to see what chapter 19 has stored for me. Oh my god, it's happy birthday! You scared me! Why did you do that? I don't like that.
6 hours later.
It's my birthday.
It's my mother birthday. We know it's your birthday.
So I'm gonna just put on, I did my hair. It's a different hairstyle. I never had my hair like this. I don't even know if I like it, honestly, if I'm being real, but I'm gonna do my face. I kind of don't want to go overboard because I just don't feel like it. I'm gonna start off with this primer, but like, it's a different year. This year feels so different. I'm in a new house. It's just, well, this birthday seems different. It's not even the new year, but it's just, I feel like life is like, change is happening, and like I need to learn how to, you know, I really don't like change, but I need to learn to deal with change. I'm gonna use some CC cream for my face. I only use this during the winter time. I'm in winter time, summertime, so I feel like it might be a little dark. If it is, I'm gonna just wipe it off, cause yeah, it ain't gonna take pretty. Super excited for 2023 because I just already know, like, this is gonna be a good year. Every year I've noticed that I lose people. Like, I lose friends, and I'm starting to be okay with that. I used to be like, oh no, like, try to not force a friendship, but just do everything in my power to not a friendship end. But I feel like now, like, girl, if they want to leave, then let them leave. It's kind of how my mindset is. I feel like putting on concealer. I think I'm gonna just leave this cream on because I just need it. I want to have like a natural look today. I'm not really doing anything. I'm gonna go eat at First Watch, and then I'm gonna go to the mall, go to Sephora, go get like a free gift, and then go to Bath and Body Works because I have a gift card. So I was like, might as well use it. So yeah. And then Saturday, that's when I'm eating with everyone in my family. New Year's Eve, yes. I had this for so long. I remember you're supposed to like throw away makeup like when you open it. Like, it has a little expiration date, but I've been kind of like, I had this since, like, if you want me to be real, I had this since 8th grade, and I'm like 19 years old. I had this when I was 14. She's been with me for that long. I know you're not supposed to do that, but why not? Now I'm gonna put lip liner around my lips. I'm gonna try to do this very neat. I hope they look nice. I feel like they don't, but I'm just over exaggerating over everything. Okay, this is the final look. It's a very natural, bland look. Now I'm gonna get ready with put on clothes and do all that. I'll show y'all the OTT of the day. So this is the fit. It's Juicy Couture. If you can see in the back, you can kind of see this. Yeah, this is the outfit. This is the OTT. And then I was gonna wear this, just this tote bag, you know, carry it like this, you know. I was thinking of wearing like a smaller bag, but then at the same time I'm like, girl, what am I gonna I was gonna wear this white bag that I normally wear, give the Y2K aesthetic, but I'm like, this is not gonna fit anything because I have like gift cards. I need to put them in here, well, in that bag. Gift cards, period. Like, I can't wait. Today I don't know, I'm feeling myself now all of a sudden. This tote bag that I got it for Christmas. I really like it. I haven't used it yet because I'm a homebody. Like, I don't like to go out and do anything. I like to just stay at home and relax and chill.
3 hours later.
Ooh. Anyways, I am back and I was gonna give y'all all of what I got. I got this bra, you know, the little bling on the straps. The Bath and Body Works. I got 5 of these wall plugs, all different kind. I got that one, and then I also got 1,000 Wishes and strawberry pound cake. And then at Sephora, I got me a little birthday gift or whatever. It's Taka or Take. I don't even know how to. Don't quote me on this. I really don't know how to pronounce it, so don't come for me because like I don't even know. And it smells like lavender. I don't know. So got this Born This Way contour concealer. Whenever I go back, I'm gonna get like concealer of Born This Way. So yeah, because I want to start contouring my face. I have this case. My mom got it for me but my boyfriend gave me another one, and I didn't want him to feel some type of way, but I was like, this is a cute case. It's cute. I like both. I'm very tired. I didn't go to sleep until like 3 and I woke up around 10. I'm so tired. I want to stay up all day for my birthday, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And I think I'm gonna put a bonnet on because I don't want my hair to get messed up. Like, I have never had my hair like this ever. Later on that day, I went out to eat with my family and we drove to Dallas to take pictures on the bridge. And then the next day came, I got my nails done, and then I went to Sugar Factory, you know. So y'all know, I didn't eat all that sugar all by myself. I got help. I mean, we didn't really finish it.